This is the Glenbrook Steel Mill, New Zealand's only steel mill. 670,000 tonnes of steel are produced here each year, which is 90% of New Zealand's total. The other 10% comes from steel recycling. It started production in 1968 and was expanded in the 70s as part of the Think Big projects. It's owned by New Zealand Steel, which is in turn owned by a big Australian conglomerate called BlueScope. Almost all steel production starts with iron ore, but here they start with iron sand. This is the Waikato North Head iron sand mine. Here they mine New Zealand's abundant iron sand, mix it with water, and then pipe it all the way up to Glenbrook. 1.2 million tonnes of iron sand per year are mined here. Glenbrook produces steel in almost the most carbon-intensive way possible. It uses a lot of coal in the actual making of the steel process, and it also uses natural gas to heat everything up that needs to get really hot. They are planning to switch to electric heating, which will help to significantly reduce the carbon emissions. Glenbrook uses something like 2% of our power each year already, which doesn't seem like a lot compared to like Tiwai Point, but it's still a hell of a lot of power for a single building to be using. Combine that with its natural gas usage, and it's definitely one of the biggest energy users in the entire country.